You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome back. Over our past few episodes, we've covered why the UAE is a top destination, how to get a visa, the cost of living, and how to adjust to life. Now it's time to talk about something critical, the actual moving process. Getting your belongings to the UAE can be complicated with custom regulations, shipping options, and logistic challenges. But don't worry, that's where SDC International Shipping comes in. Today, we're going to talk about how to move your household goods, vehicles, and personal belongings to the UAE seamlessly. Let's dive in. Planning your move and where to start. The international move requires careful planning in order to avoid unexpected costs and delays. Here are some keys. First, determine what you're going to ship. Will you be moving furniture, household goods, and personal items? Do you need to ship a car or specialty items like a piano or artwork? Get a moving quote. Moving costs depend on volume, shipping method, and your final destination. SDC International Shipping provides free detailed quotes so you can budget accordingly. Decide on shipping method. Full container load, or an FCL, if you have a large household. This option is best for security and efficiency. Shared container, LCL, is more budget-friendly option for smaller shipments. Air freight, faster but much more expensive. This is best for urgent and small shipments. Once you know what you're shipping and how, it's time to prepare your belongings. Packing and prepping. Packing for an international move isn't just about stuffing everything into boxes. You have to secure your items for a long journey. Professional packing services. SDC International Shipping offers expert packing services to ensure your belongings arrive safe and undamaged. We use custom crating for fragile items like glass, antiques, and electronics. What you can and cannot ship. What's allowed: furniture, electronics, personal effects, kitchenware, and clothing. Restricted or prohibited items: alcohol, unless you have a special permit, certain medication, weapons, and items that are deemed offensive under UAE laws, live plants, and perishable foods. Labeling and inventory. A detailed inventory list helps with custom clearance and ensures nothing gets lost. Keep important documents, jewelry, and cash with you, not in the shipment. Understanding UAE customs and import regulations. The UAE has strict custom rules, so it's important to follow the regulations. This will avoid delays or fines. Custom clearing process. All shipments go through the UAE custom inspection upon arrival. You're going to need a copy of your passport and visa, a detailed inventory list, proof of residency like a lease agreement or an employer sponsorship letter. Duty free. If you're moving as a resident, used personal belongings may be exempt from import taxes. New items will be subject to custom duties, usually around 5%. SDC, though, can help you. We handle all custom documentations, so you don't have to worry about paperwork. We ensure your shipment complies with UAE regulations. This will avoid unnecessary fees. Temporary or long-term storage options. Not moving everything immediately, storage solutions can be a lifesaver. Short-term storage. This is ideal if you're arriving before your shipment and you need to find a permanent home. Long-term storage is perfect for items you won't need immediately, but you want to keep safe. SDC International Shipping offers secure, climate-controlled storage facilities in the US and the UAE, so your belongings are protected until you're ready for them. To wrap up, here's a few pro tips for a stress-free move. Plan ahead. Start the process at least 3 months before your move. Work with an experienced mover. Choose a company like SDC International Shipping. Keep important documents with you. Passport, visa, medical records, financial papers. These should all stay as your carry-on. Double check UAE custom rules, especially for restricted items. Have a moving checklist. This helps you keep everything organized from packing to custom clearance. That wraps up our UAE relocation series. I hope this has helped you feel more prepared as you move. If you're planning your move, don't do it alone. SDC International Shipping is here to make the process stress-free with expert packing, shipping, and custom assistance. Get a free moving quote today. Visit our website or call us for a consultation. Follow our podcast for more international moving tips and expat insights. Thanks for joining us, and we hope that you have a smooth and successful move to the UAE. See you in our next series.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.